That weird place where you're like, and then you just start to talk? We cut that out, or we edit it out. We don't breathe anymore. Other thing, I need you to have an opinion. I know as real estate agents, we're not allowed to really have them, but if you want people to follow you, you gotta at least give them a clue about what you actually think in this world. Do you have any opinions? Oh yeah, those silly trends that you hate doing because you think they're stupid. Yeah, we do those too. Why? Because they're catchy and cute, and that's what we do over here. I want to invite you. Come join us live on the Zoomy Zoom with me, where I will teach you the tips and tricks of how to be better on video.